At this time, I would like you to welcome one of the many students I have in my lab. Would you please join me in welcoming one of the students that worked in my lab? Come on out now. Hello, Bucky. Welcome. I'm so happy to see you, Bucky. You can tell that Bucky is a very good science student because he's wearing his goggles. You see that? And Bucky is also wearing a Science is Fun button. Bucky, I know you are a very good student, and you plan to graduate in how many years? Let me see this again. Yeah, he has 4 and I have 5. We are a little different, yes. But you're going to graduate in 4 years. Everyone should try to graduate in 4 years. Everyone. You follow Bucky's example. Bucky, I know you've been working on some experiments in my lab, and are you ready to show us one of the experiments you've been working on? You ready for Bucky to do an experiment? Let's go over there. What we have here is a round-bottomed flask. It is filled with ammonia gas, and there's a beaker of water here, and then there's a tube that connects the flask to the water. There's a small rubber bulb here, and then there is a way of connecting the ammonia gas that's colorless and invisible with this tube here. So I'm going to turn this, and as soon as I turn this, Bucky, you do your experiment, all right? So this rubber bulb that Bucky used had a little bit of water in it. A small amount of water was able to dissolve all the ammonia that's in there, causing a partial vacuum to form up there, and then the water from the beaker was siphoned up because the air pressure was pushing on it. Well, that's a noise that we should avoid to make. You know that, Bucky. So of course, we chose to show that ammonia, when it dissolves in water, it forms a base. And so we put an indicator there, a dye, that shows the red color of the indicator. And of course, we chose red for a reason. You know that, right? What reason is that? Bucky Badger. Bucky, I know because you are a good student and final exams are coming up, you have to go study and make sure you do well on the final exam. So best wishes to you, and thank you so much, Bucky, for coming. Thank you so much.